Assignment 4 is your opportunity to present scholarly information in a critical, creative, and provocative way. The success of this project depends on technical acuity, content quality, organization, and cooperation. Keeping this in mind, here are a few things to remember when creating what may be your first audio-visual essay. Achieving seamlessness and continuity in audio and visual aspects of production are keys to capture, retain, and maximize viewer attention to your project's content. Visual effects, including using overlap, provide seamlessness when transitioning from one segment to another. Using the Ken Burns effect creates movement out of still footage, also enhancing continuity. Incorporating text into your presentation is a simple yet effective way to introduce your questions and provide a visual layer of information. Make sure to use visible colors when inserting text over footage, or simply use a black screen. Using an external microphone enhances sound recording by eliminating distractions such as echo and background noise. Using a tripod for your camera eliminates shaky film. Voiceover narration is another helpful way to direct your viewers' attention toward project content. It is not as distracting as filming a group member, and it also lends authority to your production. Be aware of the limitations of your hardware and be prepared to improvise. Use your own experience as a media consumer to effectively create and polish your product. Interviews will provide a key source of content for your presentation. Therefore, gathering strong interviews is essential to the success of your project. Keeping the following suggestions in mind will help you get the most out of the interview process. Prepare to shoot more than the minimum number of interviews required to fulfill assignment prerequisites. This simply allows you to pick from the best, rather than work with what you have. Matching faces to names is a great way to introduce and organize interviewees for your audience. Select a balanced, visually attractive setting to conduct interviews. Remember, the background should not excessively isolate the interviewee nor distract from the interview. Try not to speak over your interviewee, as there is always that chance they will say exactly what you need to answer your question. Scripted interviews are generally not as strong as candid interviews. The best way to guide an interviewee to a conclusive statement without a script is to use body language, including smiling, nodding, and hand gestures. Remember, because you only have between 5 and 6 minutes to complete your presentation, make sure to focus on retrieving footage that directly answers your questions. Outtakes and the unexpected provide for great transitional and supplemental pieces which enhance the creative aspects of your presentation. Clearly define group roles and make sure that all group members contribute what they can to your project. Although this project demands strong technical skills, open communication and enthusiasm will guarantee the success of your project. Recall that your experience as a media consumer will help you to polish your final product. Sticking to deadlines will allow you to explore the creative aspects of audiovisual production. Consider presentation styles. There are a myriad of ways to effectively display content. Also, ask yourself, what is so interesting about the social software you've decided to analyze? Humor is priceless and always welcome. Don't stress, and most importantly, remember to have fun.